In today's video, we're going to make our own shampoo for curly hair and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe contains ingredients that are simple and natural and don't contain the added toxins that can be found in many manufactured shampoos. It's also great for detangling your hair and leaving it feeling clean and soft. Personally, I don't even need to use conditioner after shampooing due to this recipe's super moisturizing ingredients. And of course, making your own can be easier on the pocketbook. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1 8-ounce PET amber plastic bottle, 3.5 ounces of coconut milk. Coconut milk is antifungal, antibacterial, and moisturizing. 2 ounces of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight moisturizer. It balances oil production and promotes hair growth. 2 ounces of Castile soap. Castile soap is an effective cleanser and is antibacterial. It also soothes skin with eczema and psoriasis. Essential oils I like to use is lavender and rosemary. Lavender essential oil promotes relaxation and blood circulation. It's an antioxidant, antibacterial, and is antifungal. Rosemary essential oil supports blood circulation, mental clarity, and stress reduction. It's also antibacterial. Both oils support hair growth. Combine coconut milk, grapeseed oil, and Castile soap in a bowl and mix well. Then add lavender and rosemary essential oils and stir. Pour mixture into 8-ounce PET amber plastic bottle. Shake well and use. And it's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Keep shampoo refrigerated and it will keep for 2 months. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.